welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Riddhi, and today I'm going to be reviewing another app. This one's called How to Make Origami Swift. So this app was created in 2011 by Sergey Brokov. Unfortunately, it's only available on iOS. For 40 origami models, it costs $2.99. For 10 origami models, it costs 99 cents. And to remove ads completely, it's $1.99. So a couple things that I really like about this app, it has over 90 models that you can, follow and make stuff out of. So out of the 90, I have used the simplest thing to make a heart, and it actually turned out kind of good.
I'll show you all how to make a heart too. So you click on the heart thing, and you click on begin, and then it starts you off. It says you need a triangular piece of paper. You fold it in half, make that crease, you unfold it. Then it tells you to meet the two of them like this. Meet the two corners in the middle of that line. Like this. Then you flip it over, and you take this down to meet the other corner. Like that. Then you take these two flaps right here, fold them halfway. Like that. Then bend these kind of, I'm going to call them pointy corners. So, like that. Like that. There you go, you have a heart.
If you knew me, I am not very good at origami, so this app actually really helps me get into origami a little bit more. So this app also has tons of things from animals to sea creatures, land animals to sea creatures, to origami for fun and other models. Unfortunately, fortunately or unfortunately, I guess, there's nothing that I dislike about this app. But I guess if you were to get a little nitpicky, I would say that this app does have quite some ads that you get in random moments, and you don't get any ads if you're trying to, download something like that. But you will get ads if you're trying to start something or something else, but that doesn't really bother me. But if it does, there's always the option to get the remove ads thing for $1.99. In my concluding opinion, I think this app can be useful for people who, like me, can't follow YouTube origami videos quite to that level where they can actually make, let's say, a dragon. Whereas in this app, you can actually make a dragon. Let's see in how many steps. A dragon in 38 steps. I find it, so see, it gets ads randomly, but you can always turn them off. I find myself kind of struggling with complicated things like the dragon, but the heart is as simple as it looks, I guess. It's just a triangular piece of paper folded a couple times, and boom, you have a heart. I really like this app because it's really gotten me into origami, as I said before, and I think it will encourage some other people to get into origami as well. And this app can keep you busy for almost like a long amount of time because it has over 90 models that you can use, as I also said before. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.